Hey guys, it's me, Marty, and welcome to this week's edition of First Impression Friday. So, if you cannot see behind me, I have a pink background, which means it's time for an Ipsy bag review. So, let's see what's up this December. This is the December Ipsy Glambag. It's so pretty. I like the foil wrap thing. So, what products do we have this month? So, this month, the Ipsy Glambag has a Cake Natural Luxe Beauty Milkmaid Totally to Die For Indulgent Body Milk Cream. That's this one. Focal Point Glowlighter by Color Raine. Y'all know I love some Color Raine. Another Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush, which they seem to send constantly. This is the third one I've received. This one is in the shade Kisses. And I have a Illuminating Turmeric Polish Turmeric Face Scrub. And last but not least, the one I was kind of looking the most forward to. Belle En Argent Click Your Heels lipstick. So if you want to know what I think about all of these products, I do first impressions down here. This is actually a second day, so I can't say I use them. I used some of these today, but most of them I didn't use today. So it's not a complete first impressions at this time, but the videos I shot on each product were in real time. Like, they were definitely first impressions. So if you want to see what I think about these products, you can just keep on watching. Thanks. Okay, guys, so to review the first thing out of the December Ipsy Glambag, the Illuminating Turmeric Polish Turmeric Facial Scrub. So it says, this deep cleaning scrub with the help of turmeric targets the pores and soothes the skin. The anti-oxidizing nature of turmeric helps prevent formation of wrinkles, while the healing properties aids, that's wrong. Properties is plural, and then aid should be singular. While the healing properties aid, I'm going to fix it, I'm an English teacher, in acne treatment. Walnut and oat granules exfoliate dead skin cells and excessive oil, gentle enough for daily use. So you can use this as a face wash, I guess, not a face wash, not just as a mask. Okay, so the directions say moisten face, squeeze a small amount into palm, and massage all over, avoiding delicate eye area, wash off and pat dry. So the walnut thing kind of scares me because the Kylie walnut scrub, people just talk about like it is just eating people's skin like left and right. So let me go wet my face and I'll try this out. Okay, so let's check out this turmeric face polish. Okay, so first off, before I even really start on it, I am glad that it's an everyday use thing. I thought it was a mask, and quite frankly, I just do not have enough face to wear all these masks that people keep sending me. Okay, it's definitely not irritating. I am notorious for washing my face really hard, only because I'm always, y'all see what happened? Look at this. I put up my Christmas tree today. I have one nail missing on this hand and 3 on this hand. Like, really, girl, how hard was it to put a Christmas tree together? Apparently it was very hard for me. So just massaging it in all over. It doesn't really give a time since it's like a face wash, I guess. You could just do it as, I already really like this. Just spreading it all over the face. Okay, I'm gonna go rinse this off. I'll pat dry with y'all and we'll talk about it. It smells kind of weird, but turmeric is like that. It's not a super, so if it's a legit turmeric product with with the turmeric, it's supposed to not smell good. Like, if it smelled good, it would be like, it doesn't smell bad either. It smells like fresh, but it's not perfumey, which is good. But I like super sweet smells, so, you know, this is kind of like a spicier smell. Okay, guys, so my face is rinsed, and I want to talk a little bit about this Illuminating Turmeric Polish where I kind of dust it off. First of all, these towels. Are these towels not gorgeous? My bathroom is Chanel inspired, black and white, just like my glam room is. And it is so hard to find black or white towels. Like, it's insane how many hoops I had to jump through to get. Anyway, so these came from Macy's and they were super duper cheap. Can't remember how much, but they were cheap, whatever. So, and also this is the first time I wore this white robe, because when I do like spa things, I really like to be like, I want to feel spa. I got makeup on it first freaking day I wore it. You can't really see it on camera, and I hope it comes off because I love this robe already. But I was actually washing my face with a towel that apparently I used last night to take my makeup off. So when I rinsed it and squeezed it, it threw blush on my... Anyway, so the Illuminating Turmeric Polish Turmeric Facial Scrub. I like it a lot. It left my face feeling really soft. I am doing a system in my travel bag of Chanel Clinique. So I have like a Clinique cleanser, a Clinique toner, and a Clinique moisturizer. And I think I might actually replace the cleanser with this. I don't like to break systems, but it's just so good and my face feels so soft. I've been sick for 2 days straight. Like, I was on the sofa all day yesterday and most of the day today. So my skin was really like clogged up because I have to take medicine for these migraines, obviously, and they cause me to sweat a lot, some of them. And so my skin gets really clogged and I eat really badly because I can only get up and get whatever I can set up to eat, which is usually like junk food because I got to take it like out the fridge. Anyway, it's a long story, but I really, really like this polish, this turmeric polish. Yeah, so this is a winner. Love it, love it, love it. So, okay guys, so the second product of the lovely December ipsy Glambag will be the Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush. Now, I have quite a history with the blushes because this is like the third one they sent me of the line, but I will say this one is the shade Kisses too, just so y'all know. Okay, so this is the new compacts. Let me go grab one of the old ones for y'all. Okay guys, so as I was saying, I have a couple of them. I have Quirky, this one is called Feisty, and now I have Kisses. So this is the difference in the compacts. So this one, I have to say I like this one much, much better. It just looks more expensive. It's pretty. This one, it's just kind of, I don't know. I like that it has the dent for your fingers, but I don't know. And it looks like it's so much smaller. Okay, let's see. So you can see by looking at the two of them that this one, the old one, the sample size is much bigger than this one. Like this is so tiny, which is okay because I have so many freaking blushes I really don't need anymore. But I just wanted to show you guys that little comparison. So this is Kisses, and I'm going to dab this brush in there. I might need a smaller brush, like this one is not helping me out too much. Oh no, okay, I just had to swirl it a little more. Okay, so right off the bat, I can tell you this one is way less pigmented than the other ones. Yeah, like you gotta kind of build this one up a little bit, which may not be a bad thing if you aren't sure how much blush you want to put. A really pigmented blush, sometimes you can pass it once and it's like, oh, I'm the Joker. So you want to make sure that you're, you know, that you're better with that. Our next product is going to be the Colored Raine Focal Point Glowlighter. Ooh, not Glowlighter, girl. We're making a whole new, okay. It is called Your Treat, and it is a pressed highlight. Okay. So Colored Raine, if you guys remember, I have a highlighter by them already called Champagne. No, I'm sorry. It's an eyeshadow called Champagne Reef. Ipsy, again, sends these quite a bit. I have a couple of things from Colored Raine at this point. Actually, too, y'all, while I have this one still close to me, I want to swatch this blush just so y'all can kind of see it. And then I'm going to swatch that highlighter, too, because I'm really interested to see what this is, because Colored Raine, they give some really, really pigmented. So this is the swatch of the blush. Okay, so it's a little pink. It's definitely a much pinkier pink than the blush I like. I usually like a goldish kind of color. Let's see what this highlighter has in store. I am so excited, y'all. Like this is the thing I wanted to try the most when I saw it. When I saw the Ipsy bag. All right. Okay, so this is the, why is there a mark in here? Did I already swatch this at some point? I don't remember. I don't think I did. This is the first time I saw it. Anyway, so before we get to that, let's talk about the packaging. I love their packaging. It always looks super high-end, super expensive, but also really simplistic. It's not childish. It's just beautiful. And I also like that the letters are gold and it's almost the same color as the compact. I'm not sure if that's supposed to be that way, if that was done purposefully or not, but I just wanted to mention that. So I'm going to swatch it. And this is what I mean. So I'm going to put this one right underneath that blush. Guys, look at that swatch. Look at that freaking swatch. Okay, so now I'm really excited. I'm just going to throw all the rest of the stuff down and grab this Luxie tapered highlighter brush. And I'm going to dip in there, put it in my normal highlight spot, so right above the cheeks. Okay, yeah, it's pretty. Let me say this, the year 2019 was the year of amazing blinding highlight because I found so many great highlighters this year. It's ridiculous. Okay, yes. Whoa, gorgeous, gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Now I'm going to go in to the bridge of my nose, Cupid's bow, chin, of course, And this is the color Raine highlighter in the shade Your Treat. So, I mean, no, not highlighter. They call it Focal Point Glow Lighter. I don't know if I'd call it anything more than what we already have, because this is beautiful, but on the face, it doesn't translate quite as well. And it's not just the camera. It's not in the mirror either, like as bright as I was expecting it to be. I was expecting it to be like that wet, almost wet looking type of highlighter. It is, let me make sure I'm stressing this. It is a beautiful highlighter. It's just not as pigmented as I was expecting it to be. Okay, guys, so our next product is one I was very excited about, not for the thing itself, but I have are you ready? The Belle En Argent Artier Cream Lip Color. That's a lot to say. We're alone for a deeply pigmented color or painted with our Lip Lure Gloss for high shine. Add our Vignette Lip Pencil for ultimate dimension. So I am not going to use that. I'm going to use the red. I'm going to use the NYX lip liner in the shade. I'm sorry, this is Plush Red. So here's what I was so excited about. This shade is called Click Your Heels, like a little bit of Alice in Wonderland. Look at the packaging, y'all. So this is on the bottom. I mean, this is beautiful. It came in this lovely mirrored package. I mean, it just looks, to be completely honest, it just looks very, very expensive. So I just like that. Look, it's even on the, like, okay, so Belle En Argent. I don't know where you guys are. This is the tube, you guys. Oh my gosh, she has to stay out on my glam station from now on. It's so gorgeous. Okay, kind of reminds me of like Jaclyn Hill vibes, minus the hair, but I just like the way it's awesome. So I'm going to use this highlighter. This thing really has me like shook. Like I can't even focus right now. I'm going to outline my lips with this one. So when you take the top off, this is what it looks like. You see all those little divots in it? I mean, this thing looks so high. And I don't know how. I'm going to go and get price points on that. And I'll put it in the corresponding blog below. Because it's so expensive looking. I will say this. The actual color of it is not that impressive to me. It's not bad, it's not great, it just is. And I don't know, maybe it's because it's been so long since I wore a lipstick that wasn't a matte lipstick. Maybe that's what I really don't know, but I don't know. It's not blowing my mind is what I'm trying to say. It's not the most amazing lipstick, but honestly, the packaging is so beautiful that the lipstick could have been clear for all I care. It wouldn't sour me on this. It's just so beautiful. It really is. Okay, guys, let's talk final thoughts on these products. First of all, the Ipsy Glambag this month, perfect for December. It's shiny, it's happy, silver, bright, all those things. Theme for this week was shine on, sparkle, shimmer, and shine. This month, let's clink glasses to a year full of diving in, bearing all, and finding your light. It's time to celebrate how far you've come. That's nice. Oh, hashtag discover yourself. So this is the card. This is all of the products and all that and how to use them. So let's get into the products, shall we? So the first thing I want to talk about is the Cake Naturally Luxe Beauty Milkmaid Body Milk Cream. Okay, so this stuff is like, actually put some on right now because my hands are dry because I've been shooting. So I keep having to wash my hands to get product off. So that's, my hands are super dry. So it's pretty good. It smells okay. It's not the, it smells okay. I'm just going to say okay because Cake Beauty sends a lot of lotions through Ipsy and most of them are the packaging is really great. So, it's good. I like it. It's just okay. It's just another lotion. Like they send so many lotions. The Blush 12-Hour Blush, the Tarte 12-Hour Blush. We've been through it so many times right now. I don't even want to go through it again. This package was a lot smaller than the other ones, and I don't really care that much. They changed the size, and this one is just pinker than the other one. So, again, it's not horrible. It's not great. Another freaking blush. So, well, let me go over the other two first. This is the Illuminating Turmeric Polish, Turmeric Facial Scrub. I really, really like it. I do think my skin was visibly brighter after I used it, and it's a pretty good product. So this one, and it's good enough to use every day. It's soft enough to use every day. So I think I'll probably put in my travel bag and start this as my travel cleanser because it just makes your skin so bright and glowing. This one is probably my favorite product, the Belle En Argent lipstick. So the lipstick itself is, it's okay. It's not a matte, and y'all know I love a matte, but the packaging is just insane. I mean, even the outside, perfect for this glam bag. I just really, really love it. And last but not least, and I say this for last because I'm wearing it today, the Focal Point Glowlighter by Colored Raine and Your Treat pressed highlighter. So this thing is just, it's so bright. It's so beautiful. I like it to be a little bit brighter, but like today when I leave here, I got to go run some errands. Then I have to go to my mom's for Christmas Eve because all the family's going to be there. So it's not crazy. It's just a little bit extra. I like a super blinding highlight to wear every day. All right. So, I mean, I love this. It's super duper pigmented, as y'all can see. Colored Raine, the last couple things I got from them were really, really good as well. So I just really like them. The bag as a whole, I want to give them 3 out of 5 diamonds because I love the packaging on the lipstick, but the lipstick I don't love that much. The turmeric polish is the only thing that, well, no, the turmeric face polish is the one thing that I really, 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 really liked. I love the Colored Raine packaging. I love the payoff for that one too. The lotion is just lotion. It doesn't smell as great as the other ones. But the Tarte 12-hour blush, again, just one I've gotten so many times at this point, and the other 2 shades were way better than this one. So this bag will get a 3 out of 5. So thank you so much for watching this week's edition of Diamonds and Denim, First Impression Fridays. If you need more information on these products or you want to sign up to Ipsy, you can just click the corresponding blog listed below. I will see you next time here on Diamonds and Denim, First Impression Fridays. Bye.